Today we are going to perform the static stretch, and there are some guidelines for that. And so for the intensity, we are doing 2 out of 10 on the scale, where 0 means no stretch at all and 10 means worst stretch or pain. And for the frequency of the stretch, you have to do it 2 to 3 times per week to maintain your range of motion, and 5 or more to improve your range of motion per week. So now we are doing, first of all we are doing the neck stretch, and for this you have to stand tall and straight, and you have to pull your chin toward your chest to stretch your neck extensors muscle like this. And then you have to hold it, then you have to hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. So in the next neck stretch, you can do it by taking your head backwards like this muscle, and then you have to hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds, and then back to straight. And you can also stretch your muscles by doing the rotation of the neck. Hold it for 10 to 30 seconds and then back to normal. You can also perform on this side. Hold it for 10 to 30 seconds, then back to normal. So now we are performing the second stretch, and which is upper fibers of trapezius stretch. And for this you have to take your right hand behind your back like this, and then with the other hand you have to grab the wrist of the right hand and gently pull it downwards. Yes, and then you have to bend your neck away from the side you want to stretch, and then hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. You can feel the stretch at upper fibers of trapezius. Then release. So now we are going to perform the tricep stretch, and for this you have to bend your elbow and place your hand behind your other shoulder, and from behind it look like this, and then you have to place your other hand at your elbow and then gently pull it downwards and hold this for 10 to 30 seconds. So now you can feel the stretch over this side. So now we are going to perform the pectoralis major stretch, and for this stretch the position of the client is you have to stand close to the vertical wall, and then you have to abduct your shoulder up to 90 degree and your elbow to 90 degree like this. So now the foot position is like that. You want to stretch your right side, so you have to put your right foot forward, and then if you want to increase the intensity of the stretch, you have to rotate your trunk opposite to the wall.